Good morning. Today is 7th of June 2013 and we are organizing, Calvin Institute of Technology is organizing an animation workshop for all those who have slight confusion regarding what is the scope of this field, what they should do after choosing the animation as a career and everything else. So I would like to start out with what we are having as a schedule for this animation workshop. As you can see here, this is a kind of projection which we are trying to portray our softwares which animation people use for animation. Like this is 3D Max software that is being displayed to the students. This is one of the schedule. Now if we go towards the second part of the schedule, we are having a kind of objects, we have collected the kind of objects that is popularly used for the animation purpose. Let me start with few of the things. Like this one, we have created this thing just to give you a glimpse or idea of what structure designing is all about. This is basically used to have a practical experience of what you are going to design on the software through 3D Max and all. Similarly, we do have other objects which we have combined together with the object. This is one of the model for the things, right? And another thing, schedule of the day, that is quite interesting for the students, that is quite playful for the students as well. We do have certain colors, which is a clay model. I should show you this. This is clay of blue color and students are going to, or people are going to make some of the objects through this. They have to show their imagination, their creativity and other things. Now if we go towards that side of the animation studio, we do have a mannequin which is used for teaching students regarding the different posture a human can have, and with this effect, with this mannequin, the person can note down, means when he or she wants to draw it on paper, then easily he or she can do it. Similarly, the person can also draw it on a paper, on a software also. So this is very helpful. As you can see, there are certain their elbows, their joints are there, so easily it can be shown to a person. And for another things, like we do have, there is a concept known as wireframing in animation. For creating the actual models, for creating the actual software designs, we should, animators should also know how to animate, how to object things with wires. So this is a model for a giraffe. And also we do have certain things, some sketching parts, some coloring parts for the students on the go. So this is a summarized report for the schedule of the day. Thank you.